Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can take front and back photos on BeReal. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And let's begin. So first of all, open up your BeReal application on your device and simply log in with your account. If you don't have any account, then just create one so that you can continue along. Anyways, once you are done with that, now just tap on camera button on screen to capture your BeReal. You can also tap on the arrow icon to change the camera mode from front to back, and you can also tap on the front camera window to enlarge it. After that, click the photo and give it a few seconds. You can see that now I have taken two photos from the back and front camera at the same time. And that's how you can take front and back photos on BeReal. That's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.